Naghahanap ka ba ng place to relax? Tara, samahan niyo ako sa 12 Amor para mag-pamper. This is located at Darangan Binangonan Rizal beside Pure Gold and in front of Yamaha. Dito nga pala sa first floor ginagawa yung service nila na manicure pedicure. And for today, magpapa-foots pa kami and massage. Alam nyo ba, nagustuhan ko din na meron pala silang ino-offer na postnatal massage na perfect para sa mga mamis kagaya ko. Spa cafe na nga rin pala to kaya pwede kang mag-order ng drinks and snacks habang nagpapamper ka. At tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda tong place, Instagrammable talaga siya. The Daily Brew Cafe nga pala is located at third floor ng kanilang building. At dahil spa cafe nga pala to, dinesign talaga to for relaxation purposes. Sobrang tahimik nga pala dito kaya talaga namang makakapag-relax ka. Wi-Fi zone na nga rin pala to. While waiting sa service na gagawin sa amin, nag-order na rin kami ng drinks and snacks. And for me, sulit na sulit yung food for its price. They serve pasta, pizza, snacks, cookies, frappe, espresso, coffee set, and tea set. And punta naman tayo sa next service. Dito naman yung massage area nila. Meron ding sauna bath dito. Kaya after 6 months of breastfeeding, talaga namang na-relax yung katawan ko. And for dinner, we ordered table tea set with cookies and pasta with mac and cheese. Kaya this is your sign to take a break and treat yourself to some me time. Enhance your spa experience and make your visit even more special with the Daily Brew and the Cookie Company.